In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock Firefox with a password using two different methods. First, I'll show you the built-in Firefox option for protecting saved passwords, and then I'll show you an extension-based method if you want an extra layer of browser locking. This is a simple but really useful setup if you want more privacy on a shared computer or just want to keep your saved logins protected. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-line menu icon. This opens the main Firefox menu with all of your browser settings and tools. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you into the Firefox settings page, where you can manage privacy, security, passwords, and other browser options. On the settings page, look for passwords and autofill and click it. This is where Firefox keeps the options related to saved logins and password protection. Now you'll see an option that says Set a primary password. Click that option. Firefox will ask you to create a password that protects access to your saved passwords and login details. Enter a strong password that you can remember, then enter it again to confirm. Once everything looks good, click OK or Save, depending on the version of Firefox you're using. After you set it up, Firefox will now require that primary password before anyone can view or use your saved passwords. That means if someone opens your browser and tries to access stored logins, they won't be able to do it without your password. This is a great way to add an extra security layer to your browser account. Now let's move on to method 2, which uses an extension called Browser Lock. This method is helpful if you want to lock down the browser itself with a separate password. To do that, click the menu again in the top right corner. Then click Extensions and Themes. After that, click Extensions. This takes you to the Firefox add-ons and extensions area, where you can search for browser tools and security add-ons. In the search bar, type Browser Lock and press Enter. Firefox will show you the extension results. Find the Browser Lock extension and click on it to open the details page. Then click Add to install the extension into Firefox. Once the extension is installed, open it and set your password. Enter the password you want to use, then confirm the password in the second field. After that, click Save. From this point forward, the extension can help lock access depending on how it's configured, giving you another way to protect your browser session. So to quickly recap, if you want to protect saved passwords inside Firefox, use the built-in primary password option. If you want a browser locking extension, use Browser Lock from the Firefox add-on store. Either way, you now have a much better way to keep your Firefox data secure. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.